nails. And I also have a lifestyle YouTube channel. I will link that down in the description box below so you guys can check that out as well. But previously, I've already uploaded videos on this channel, which is kind of like all over the place. But I thought, why not try to go ahead and do an entrepreneur series? I'm definitely planning on to expand my business by adding more things to the store other than press-on nails, more like on the skincare beauty area. I've already added cuticle oil to my business, and that's been doing very well. And you guys will see in the future. But I thought, why not try to do an entrepreneur series and go ahead and show you guys the behind the scenes of how Lovely Nails runs. I have been in business for 3 years, and I've made a lot of mistakes. And currently I am 27 weeks pregnant, so this past year has definitely been a lot slower than my previous years because I've definitely been focusing on being well-rested, health, and all of that. But I did want to mention June 1st was my 3-year anniversary, and it's currently June 8th, so I'm still currently in my business month. I do have a sale running, so I definitely want to encourage you guys to go ahead and shop with us. But I'm going to go ahead and show you today how I prep my nail kits for my customers when they order. And I definitely want to show you guys on how I budget to make my nail kits. They're probably not the most extravagant nail kits because I do believe in doing things on a budget when you know that you still want to be an entrepreneur, but you still want to make money. So I'm going to show you how I do mine. Everybody else does theirs a little bit differently. So I'm just going to show you all of the items that I put in my nail kits, as well as show you how I construct them together to put in my packaging. So let's just get straight into the video. Okay guys, so as you can see here, these are going to be all the items that I'm going to use in my nail kits. So here is my clear cellophane bags that I got off of Amazon. Everything that I have in this video I'll put down in the description box below. But this is what I put all of my items in. So then I also have my thank you cards. I get all of my thank you cards off of Vistaprint. I also use alcohol swabs, pads, however you want to call them, but this is a fresh box, so I have all of those. I got 200 of those because I typically use 2 at a time. Please excuse my nails. I have cuticle sticks here already in this pack. There's 50 in here. I have emery boards, 144 of those. This is what that looks like. I have KDS glue. I also have sticky tabs. I typically give out sticky tabs with it as well. I have progressed in my business. I now give free glue, and I do have Kiss glue on my website that I sell. So that's 2 different things, 2 different glues, depending on what kind of strength you're looking for. But this is my sticky tabs. I have nail buffers. Same thing for these. It's small enough to get the job done, and you can use this multiple times, but I put that in the bag as well. And then just for a little treat, I go ahead and I put in Airheads. People tend to love the little treat that I put in there. I used to put in heart lollipops, but I don't do that anymore, just for budgeting reasons, because this is on a budget. People care about packaging, but they also care about it being effective and does it work. So I also go ahead and I use these. I try to make everything kind of go with my brand colors. So since I no longer do the heart lollipops, I now do Airheads. It's still red. It still does the job. If you know, my colors are red, black, and white. So I try to make sure that everything kind of is cohesive. So I'm also going to show you that this sanitizer spray that I'll use on my hands, so you guys don't think that I am not sanitizing properly. I'm just putting nail kits together. I always spray down all of my packaging as well as the nails. I've already wiped my table off. I'm going to speed through this so you guys can get an idea exactly what I do. so I'm back. So I did 20 of my nail kits already done and ready for a order. I believe in prepping everything as much as you can so that when it's time to actually do all of the things that you need to do during the packaging process, that it cuts down a lot of time. I do have a muscle disease, so I try my best to make my life a whole lot easier when it comes to things. But I do highly recommend you guys just pre-making a lot of the things that you need to be in your packaging. And this is just basically how I go about it. I like to show the thank you card first. I put my social media and my hashtag on there, and how I like to package it is because I like to put this in the front and everything else in the back. The seal is here, and so when you pull the seal off, I just fold it down, and then all you see is this. So it's basically smaller, of course. So that's just how I do all of my nail kits. I hope this was helpful. Leave any comments or any requests you would like to see from my business. I definitely plan on doing more of these videos. Cuticle oil that I'll be doing, replenish that because I have sold out on one of my scents already. So I want to show you the process on how I do that in the next video. So again, I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Oh, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I come on. Everything will be down in the description box below, as well as the pricing, so you guys can go ahead and get it yourself. I do believe in personalizing your branding, but if you cannot afford to do so, then doing it simple can get the job done as well. I promise you that branding is amazing and it's great and it gets people's attention, but again, I believe in being on a budget, and if you cannot do those things, then you have to do what is best for you as well as what's best for your pockets. Definitely, I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.